Hey taste buds, welcome back. You guys, we're back with part 2, and we're back with some chips,
bomb snack,
and some chocolate fudge. These are so good.
Pulling up the questions.
We're pulling up the questions. Like, we're gonna set up really quick, and then we'll be back.
Just kidding.
Hey taste buds, welcome back. You guys, we're back with part 2, and we got some snacks.
Bomb ones, as you can tell. Take a guess what everything is. Okay. Comment down below, pause the video, and let us know what it is.
Name the chips of what we got. We got these ones.
Popcorn hot Cheetos.
Turbos.
Delicious.
These ones are the new Dorito lime ones. Which are these.
Got some baked barbecue.
The baked barbecue chips. Sour cream and onion Pringles.
And then you tell me the name of these.
Chocolate fudge bars. I'm so excited for these right here, you guys.
That's gonna be my dessert.
Let's eat one of each chip. Oh yeah.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. You know you gotta have the sour cream.
Oh yeah.
Let's eat some chips, and then we'll get into our part 2 of, obviously, as you can tell by the title, reacting to things women do but won't admit. Dun, dun, dun.
Questions.
Okay. My mom was calling. You should call her. Call her on the video as we're doing the video.
You?
Mom, what the heck?
Yeah, Mom, what the heck?
Call her. It's okay. You guys ready to hear us calling her mom?
Alright. Go.
So
that was our little introduction to our parents. Just want to make sure I get home safe.
I'm laughing at you. Nothing. I'm moving on with life. Okay.
No, I'm laughing at this.
Oh my god.
Right.
Okay.
Let's get into the questions.
Yeah, get into the questions.
First question. Do girls pee in the shower? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. If you have to pee, and sometimes, like, you don't have to pee until you're in the shower, and then once you're in the shower, it's like the water hits you, and then, like, you're like, I have to pee.
It's just more relaxed, to be honest.
I do, but I don't
but
let it touch, my legs. I pee
can
right
control
in the
it.
drain. I pee in the drain. I pee like right on top of the drain.
Yeah, but
I like aim at it. I do. So I
you
don't
just
pee on
watch
it.
it.
I got another Papal.
Got a water. Next question. Do girls pick their wedgies? Who doesn't pick their wedgies?
Who freaking doesn't? Like, I'm known for picking my wedgies.
I feel like especially girls pick their wedgie because we all know why, girls.
I get wedgies like crazy. If I'm sitting down, I'm gonna stand up, wedgie. If I'm walking, wedgie. Washing dishes, wedgie.
I actually don't get wedgies that often, to be honest.
I do. So, you know,
She
I
said.
just shove it on out. So, yep, we most definitely do.
I don't get them as often, but when I do get them, yes.
Yeah.
Next question. Do you want to read it? Just that way you can read a question too.
Yeah. Put it up and well. We're wearing the same thing as our last video because we made this literally right after we cleaned up all of our dishes and whatnot.
Yeah.
A lot of freaking dishes.
It took us about 30, 40 minutes.
Yeah, no, not even like 20 minutes. We cleaned up in like 20 minutes. And then we set up for this video, and now we here. So that's why we're wearing the same thing. It's not the next day, I promise. She's going to be going home in a little bit. You guys, these chips right here, look how red they are. So fire.
Bomb.
And these ones are my favorite too. Don't show them. Oh, yeah, you guys see another thumbnail too. No, it looks so good.
I bet that could be a thumbnail.
Oh my gosh, I love these popcorn ones. Literally the best. I don't care. These are so good.
You guys taste like turbos.
Yeah, I was telling her. They're trying to trick us. These are literally turbos. Like literally, no joke. You taste them, and it's literally the same taste as turbos. There's like no difference at all in them. I don't care. Like see? Turbo, for sure. It has like the hint of lime and spice to it. It's just perfect. I love them.
You want mayonnaise, honey?
I really enjoy baked barbecue. So bomb.
One of my favorite chips, especially with like sandwiches. They go too.
I want a sandwich and a chips. I'm so full though. Okay. Do girls pick their nose? Do you pick your nose, Felicia?
No. Just kidding. Yeah.
Everyone picks their nose. But
just when you gotta clean it.
I pick my nose with a napkin. I have to. I refuse to pick it with my fingers. That's just me. Unlike somebody else over there staying quiet because you don't want to answer.
I want to answer.
I'm just kidding.
No one asked me, do you use a napkin? Yes, I use a napkin. But if I can't get it with a napkin, can't get it with a napkin.
Exactly. What? I love how honest she is.
I'm only human.
I'm sure everyone has picked their nose without a napkin once before in their whole entire life.
Wash your hands. Get over it.
Exactly. I don't do it, but I'm sure I have in the past once before. Or even a couple of times, whether it's once or a couple. I'm sure I have, yeah. I'm admitting it, okay? I'm really excited to try these ones here. I hate how your face on face recognition. You guys, you know what's crazy? Sucks. This girl's face literally opens my face recognition on my phone. And she didn't even set it up. It makes me so mad. She opens up all of my bank account apps, like everything. She can literally open it with her phone. I mean, with her face.
When I do it,
she goes like this.
My face is a little bit longer than hers, so my jaw just has to be like closed.
Yeah, she makes her face a certain way.
I just go.
And it works. We do look a lot alike, though. Ready? Smoke all day.
Drink all night.
I'm in the valley. You guys are so funny. Yeah, we used to do that all the time when we were younger. Like, I would sing it. Drink all day. And then I would sing it, and then she'd dance it out. And then she would sing it, and then I would dance it out. It would just be so funny.
I don't know why.
These look like little cigars or like blunts. These are so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I've tried these before. Alright, let's hear the ASMR.
No, I want that last.
Let me try the ASMR. Okay. Is that all the questions?
If you looked at them, you would know.
This last one. It was so funny. I really like this last one. Okay. Barbecue chips ones are bomb, huh? You guys, this morning, I'm not gonna lie, my son had Pringles, and he woke me up to like open them this morning, and I like ate one, and my mouth was like watering for them all day, so I went and I bought a whole new pack. These ones are so good. I had to get barbecue chips. Okay, next question. Do you look in the mirror when you are crying to see if you're pretty when crying?
Yes.
I've done that before. Go ahead.
Like, sometimes you just gotta take a peek. I don't once in a blue moon, I'll just like glance at myself just for a little bit, but then I'll get out of the mirror.
She's lying, you guys. There's times where she's been crying and she'll Snapchat me and be like, look, I'm even crying.
Well, that's different. It's not.
But like,
looking
but
in
that
the mirror
means you
crying.
know you were looking in the mirror though. But I've done that before.
I've just been crying. I just want to show you that I'm crying.
I've done that though. I've like literally cried, and I've looked in the mirror and I've been like, and I'm just like, ew, I'm so ugly, or oh, I look pretty right now. I have. I've literally like looked at her like when I was crying and just like, I don't know. I think I've done that before, and it like made me cry even more. Too funny. That was our last question.
Ooh, and our last turbo. Just kidding.
Ready? Let's cheers on this last one. Cheers. Bam. Cheers on this last one. I'm so full and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and part 2. Part 2 wasn't that long, but it was still pretty good for a part 2. Something to keep you guys entertained if you guys have nothing to do. I'm literally having a food baby right now. I'm in a food coma for sure.
I still have to eat these. Ooh.
I can't do it. I'm too full. After that homemade meal. And we made a lot too.
I can't. We done.
I'm so full, you guys.
Now, when you burp.
There's no way I'm getting a burp out right now, but lucky. Shake the house, Felicia.
I had to get me more room.
I get burp lovers, and they're like, Felicia shakes the whole house. When was the loudest time Felicia shook the whole house?
Gosh.
She will make the house shake.
Shake it.
Shake your booty.
Yeah, hold on. These, you guys, are so good.
They
highly recommend. It's rolling away. Don't roll away. I'm gonna eat you. Highly recommend you guys getting these. They're super, super good. It's chocolate fudge.
Is that right?
Bomb. Super good.
Are
Either
they?
Eat them by themselves or you want some ice cream.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Oh, is that right?
That is right.
Oh, are you done? I'm just kidding. These are really bomb though, huh? Yeah. One time. Stop. Stop. Quit. 15. Sorry, God. Don't you ever do that again to me.
Cleeta.
Cleats.
Is that how you say it, right? Say it.
I'm not cutting nothing out. You shouldn't be saying things you don't know how to say.
That's how you say it. No? Say it. Then say it. That's how you say it.
Say it.
Exactly.
Can't believe you did that to me. You dumb.
You be doing some dumbass shit too, okay?
I know.
Good. What you did there.
That was really good, huh? 2 videos in one day.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It was.
Thank you for watching. Until next time, Taste Buds, we love you so much.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.
And that's what I